Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Technology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to install the AWS CLI on Windows and also how to use it from your CMD. So you just need to follow me and don't forget to subscribe my channel Technology. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So at first you need to go to this website, which is docs.awsamazon.com. So I will give you the link on my video description. After that you have to download this 64-bit or 32-bit this AWS CLI MSI installer. So if you don't know your architecture version, then don't worry, just go to your My Computer on your computer and right click on this My Computer and click on Properties. And now you can see here your architecture version. The system type is 64-bit operating system. So now I will download this 64-bit version. Okay, so I've already downloaded and installed on my computer. So here it is, as you can see. So you have to install this. Okay, so after install, just go to your start menu and type over there CMD and right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. After that you will get this window. So if you don't know any command of AWS, then I will show you how to get all those commands. Just type over there AWS EC2, then help, then press enter from your keyboard and you will get all the command over there. So as you can see, here is all the commands. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.